Moi everyone and welcome to Finish Your Plate. Finns are big foragers. They go to the forest and pick mushrooms and berries, and one of the most prized mushrooms that you can find in the Finnish forest is the Chantarelle mushroom. Usually people have their own spots where they go find these mushrooms, and they're very jealous of the locations of the spots. They don't usually even tell their family members where they find these mushrooms. But fortunately, in the US, you can also find these in the stores. So I'm going to show you how to make a creamy chantarelle sauce that you can use with pork, with chicken, beef, or even fish. While my pan is getting hot, I'm going to finish cleaning up these chantarelles. Just look for any dirt in the stem and maybe underneath too that you may want to get rid of. And of course any soft parts here. And now I'm going to cut these chantarelles into smaller chunks. They can be pretty big chunks though. They will cook down quite a bit. So especially these stems are the parts that you do want to cut down. And it looks like this one, the stem had a little crevice here with some dirt, so I'm gonna need to clean that off. Now I'm gonna add a couple tablespoons of butter in my hot pan. And I have here 2 shallots that have been chopped fine. I'm gonna add those in here too. Add a little bit more salt. The butter is salted anyway. And now in goes the chantarelles as well. There we go. And let these reduce down. They are going to start exuding their liquid and then reducing. Now that the chantarelles have reduced quite a bit, I'm going to turn down the heat just a little bit. And I will sprinkle on about a tablespoon of just plain flour. Mix it again. And I'm going to add about a half a cup of just plain water. And about a half a cup of heavy cream. And plenty of black pepper. Now we'll just cook this until it thickens up. Now the sauce is pretty much ready when you can do this, and you can see that it doesn't close up immediately when you pull with your spoon or spatula. So if you make this beforehand, before your meat is ready, for example, remember it will thicken up more. I have here a pan-fried pork chop, some fried potatoes, and a salad. Of course, you could use this sauce with fish, with beef, but a pork chop also goes pretty well. So I'm just going to spoon this over my potatoes and my pork chop. And a bit more parsley as garnish. There we go. And here we go, Finnish pork chop with chantarelle sauce. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on Finish Your Plate.